What's good, LA? It's your boy, La Sin, and of course I am back with another video today. I'm actually gonna be cleaning 3 of my old pair of shoes that are really dirty, and we're gonna try to bring them back to life, okay? Because I was looking through my shoes and I was like, these shoes are kind of dirty, and I wanted to wear them. I still want to wear them. So let's get into this video. It doesn't work with me. Just move on to the next clip. Let's get started in this video. Already, man, damn. Look, guys, I'm telling you, look at the box. I don't know if that's puke, man. I don't know what it is, but this is one of the shoes we're gonna be cleaning. This box, man, I don't know what happened to it, but yeah. These right here are not really that dirty, but I want to try to get some of this yellowing off. So yeah. Now that y'all seen the shoes, let's get started with box number 1. So in this cup, I have hot water and liquid soap. In this cup, I have warm water and a Tide pad, whatever you want to call that. And then I have regular warm water. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be using. I also have this, even though it smells really bad, I promise you it helps clean the shoes right out. It takes everything right off. So I'm gonna be using these two, and this. This is for the suede. And I don't know why, but when I use this for the suede comes out soft. But y'all gonna see when I use it. I'm gonna use this for the 6s. The other two are getting this, and some regular warm water. Let's get into this video, y'all. Alright guys, so I just actually wanted to show you guys how one shoe's coming out and how the other one is without me touching it, and I'll show you guys right now. So this one right here, this is the clean shoe. You know, I've been letting it dry up. Boom. Clean shoe right here. Now this is the dirty one. You guys see the difference? Boom. See what I'm saying? Wait, real quick. I noticed most of my viewers are hopping off my videos in the first 3 minutes. If y'all stick through the video, you'll probably like it a lot more because it gets interesting, okay? So other than just seeing it and hop off, give it some time. Give the video some time. And y'all see it, it's a great video. I just had to say that real quick, so let's hop back into this video real quick. just got done cleaning the second shoe. Well, I've been done for like 5 minutes. I was letting it dry off. And let's compare the two and see how they came out. So right here is the clean one. You feel me? I tried cleaning these with what I had. Boom. Feel me? There was a little scuff right here. I couldn't get that out. I tried so hard. But yeah, boom. This is the clean one. Let me show you guys the one I haven't touched yet. Ready? Let's see the change. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, this video deserves a thumbs up, bro. Drop a thumbs up. Drop a like. Because, yo, I am killing it today. Sheesh. Let's see the side, the insides. Whoa. Feel me? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, guys, we finally got the last pair clean. This one actually took me a little bit too, because I was trying to get as much yellowing off as I could, and that's harder than it looks. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I can do to take the yellowing off more. But let me show you the one I cleaned, and like again, I'll show you the one that I haven't touched. So, boom, this is the one I cleaned. I started seeing it get more brighter up here. It started getting way brighter up here. But like I said, the yellowing is crazy. And it's kind of hard to get them off, I kind of figured. I'll show you guys the front. Boom. The other side. This is still wet a little bit, like damp. But I wanted to get as close to the color as possible. So I was letting it like dry out as much as I could. But boom. And the back. Remember when I said in my videos? I like it with the Nike in the back. The more OG it is, the better the shoe is for me. Now, this is the one I haven't cleaned. But you guys can already see the difference. In fact, let me get a quick thumbnail. I got you. There, sorry, I just needed a thumbnail. They're on both. It's a whole different shape over here as well than over here. I just got the shape. I put the shape back on this one. Hey, I see it's me. Hey, boom, boom, boom. Now I gotta get back and clean the other ones. So there you have it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, subscribe if you guys are new. And once again, you guys are watching La Señor, and I'm out. Peace.
LA, on me. LA, on me. LA, on me. LA.